Welcome to Bali, the island of gods. Bali, the name itself evokes images of paradise. Lush rice paddies, shimmering turquoise waters, ancient temples, and warm smiles greet you at every turn. This Indonesian island, often called the Island of Gods, is a sensory feast, a place where spirituality intertwines with natural beauty. From vibrant cities to tranquil villages, Bali offers a diverse tapestry of experiences that captivate the soul. Whether you seek adventure, relaxation, or cultural immersion, Bali has something extraordinary in store for you.
My first trip to Bali was unforgettable. The moment I stepped off the plane, the intoxicating scent of incense and spices filled the air, transporting me to another world. The Balinese people, with their infectious warmth and genuine hospitality, welcomed me like an old friend. Their deep connection to their culture and traditions shines through in every aspect of life, from the intricate offerings placed daily at temple shrines to the vibrant ceremonies and dances that fill the streets with music and color. Over the years, I've returned to Bali time and time again, each visit revealing new wonders and deepening my love affair with this magical island. One of my favorite memories is watching the sunrise over Mount Agung, the highest point on the island. The sky painted in hues of pink and orange, while Balinese fishermen set out to sea, and the early morning market buzzed with life. I also had the chance to take a traditional Balinese cooking class. The local markets were a sensory overload, with vibrant colors, exotic fruits, and the freshest ingredients. Learning to cook Balinese cuisine was an experience that connected me deeply with the island's culture. A visit to the Ubud monkey forest is a must. The sacred monkey forest sanctuary is home to hundreds of playful monkeys, and walking through the lush forest feels like stepping into a different world. The island is also a haven for art lovers. Balinese art and crafts are renowned for their intricate designs and vibrant colors. Watching local artisans at work, creating traditional paintings and sculptures, is truly inspiring. And of course, no trip to Bali is complete without indulging in a traditional Balinese massage. The serene spa settings, combined with the skilled hands of the therapists, make for an incredibly relaxing experience. Bali's festivals are another highlight. Nyepi Day, the Balinese New Year, is a day of silence, fasting, and meditation. The Galungan Festival, which celebrates the victory of Dharma over Adharma, fills the island with joy and vibrant decorations. For those who love the ocean, Bali offers some of the best surfing spots in the world. The waves crashing on the shores are a siren call to surfers from all over the globe. Yoga enthusiasts will find their paradise here as well. Bali is home to numerous yoga retreats, offering serene settings and expert instructors to guide you on your journey to inner peace. The island's wildlife is equally captivating. From exotic birds to the majestic creatures at the Bali Safari and Marine Park, there's always something new to discover. And as the day comes to an end, there's nothing quite like watching the sunset at Tanah Lot Temple. The sky ablaze with colors, the sound of the waves, and the silhouette of the temple create a magical moment that stays with you forever. Bali is more than just a destination. It's an experience that touches the heart and soul. Each visit leaves you with lasting memories and a longing to return. The Island of Gods truly lives up to its name, offering a slice of paradise that captivates and enchants all who visit.
Ubud, where serenity meets creativity. Nestled amidst rolling hills and emerald green rice paddies, Ubud is Bali's cultural heart. This picturesque town is not just a feast for the eyes, but also a haven for the soul. The lush greenery and serene environment provide a perfect backdrop for a journey into the depths of creativity and tranquility. This charming town pulsates with a creative energy that's palpable the moment you arrive. The streets are adorned with vibrant street art, and the air is filled with the hum of artistic endeavors. Artists from all over the world come here to find inspiration and to create masterpieces that reflect the beauty and spirit of Ubud. Art galleries showcase the works of local and international artists, offering a glimpse into the diverse and rich artistic heritage of the region. Each gallery tells a story, each piece of art a testament to the creativity that flows through Ubud. From traditional Balinese paintings to contemporary art, there's something for every art lover. While traditional dance performances bring ancient stories to life, these performances are not just a visual treat, but also a cultural experience that takes you back in time. The elaborate costumes, the graceful movements, and the enchanting music all come together to create a mesmerizing spectacle that leaves you spellbound.
One of my favorite things to do in Ubud is to wander through the Ubud monkey forest. This lush sanctuary is a world of its own, where nature and wildlife coexist in perfect harmony. The forest is a place of peace and wonder where you can lose yourself in the beauty of nature. This sacred sanctuary is home to hundreds of playful macaques swinging through the trees and interacting with visitors. Watching these creatures in their natural habitat is a delightful experience. Their playful antics and curious nature make every visit to the monkey forest a unique adventure. Be sure to hold on to your belongings though, as these mischievous creatures are known for their thievery. It's all part of the fun, but a little caution goes a long way in ensuring that your visit remains enjoyable and memorable. For a dose of history and spirituality, visit the majestic temples that dot the Ubud landscape. These temples are not just places of worship, but also architectural marvels that reflect the rich cultural heritage of Bali. Each temple has its own unique charm and story waiting to be discovered. Tirta Empul, with its sacred springs, is a place of purification and healing. The waters of Tirta Empul are believed to have magical properties that cleanse the body and soul. Participating in the purification rituals here is a deeply spiritual experience that leaves you feeling rejuvenated and at peace. While Goa Gajah, the elephant cave, is a testament to Bali's rich Hindu heritage, the intricate carvings and ancient relics found here offer a glimpse into the island's past. Exploring Goa Gajah is like stepping back in time, where every corner holds a piece of history and every carving tells a story. As the sun begins to set, find a spot overlooking the rice paddies and savor the tranquility of this magical place. The golden hues of the sunset cast a warm glow over the landscape, creating a picture-perfect moment that captures the essence of Ubud. It's a time to reflect, to breathe, and to simply be in the moment, surrounded by the beauty and serenity that Ubud offers.
Seminyak, sun, sand, and spectacular sunsets. If Ubud is Bali's cultural heart, Seminyak is its glamorous coastal cousin. This vibrant beach town is a haven for sunseekers, surfers, and partygoers alike. Spend your days lounging on Seminyak Beach, renowned for its golden sands and world-class surf breaks.
As the day transitions into night, Seminyak transforms into a playground of chic beach clubs and trendy restaurants. Sip on a cocktail as you watch the sun melt into the horizon, painting the sky in a kaleidoscope of colors. From beachfront dining experiences to rooftop bars with panoramic ocean views, Seminyak offers a taste of the high life. Indulge in a luxurious spa treatment, shop for designer boutiques, or simply soak up the vibrant atmosphere of this cosmopolitan destination.
Tanah Lot, a temple on the water's edge. Perched dramatically on a rocky outcrop, Tanah Lot is one of Bali's most iconic landmarks. This temple is not just a place of worship, but a symbol of the island's rich cultural heritage and natural beauty. The temple's unique location and stunning architecture make it a must-visit destination for travelers from around the world. This ancient sea temple, dedicated to the spirits of the sea, seems to float on the water as the waves crash around its base. The temple's design is a testament to the ingenuity of Balinese architecture, blending seamlessly with the natural landscape. The sound of the waves and the sight of the temple against the backdrop of the ocean create a serene and mystical atmosphere.
Legend has it that the temple was built by a 16th century priest who used his magical powers to move a piece of the mainland to its current location. This priest, known as Dang Hyang Narartha, is said to have been inspired by the beauty of the site and decided to create a sanctuary dedicated to the sea gods. The temple's history is steeped in myth and legend, adding to its allure and mystique. As the tide rises, Tanah Lot becomes an island, accessible only by a narrow causeway. This natural phenomenon adds to the temple's charm, making each visit a unique experience. During high tide, the temple appears to be floating on the water, creating a magical and otherworldly scene. Visitors often find themselves mesmerized by the interplay of the tides and the temple's silhouette against the horizon. The best time to visit is at sunset, when the sky erupts in a blaze of color, casting a magical glow on the temple and its surroundings. The vibrant hues of the sunset reflect off the water, creating a breathtaking spectacle that leaves a lasting impression. As the sun sets, the temple takes on an ethereal quality, bathed in the warm, golden light of the evening. For a truly immersive experience, join the locals in a prayer ceremony as the sun dips below the horizon, leaving behind a sense of peace and wonder. These ceremonies are a beautiful expression of Balinese spirituality and offer a glimpse into the island's rich cultural traditions. Participating in a prayer ceremony allows visitors to connect with the local community and experience the temple's spiritual significance firsthand. The peaceful atmosphere and the sense of unity among the participants create a profound and moving experience that stays with you long after you leave Tanah Lot.